Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is Learn Language. So in this video we will learn how to install the Drupal in our system, in our local system. So we can install the Drupal by two different types. And the first one is Composer. The second one is like we can download by the pressing the button, click on this link, the download zip and rzip. So for the zipping file download we will see in the next video, but for the by the composer we can see in this video. And so let's see how to install the Drupal by the composer. So here one URL is this one. We will write, like I will write this URL on the description, so you can put here and you can download any type of version of Drupal. So I'm going to download the Drupal 9.4.1. So by clicking this copy button, copy this one, open this command prompt and go that particular folder where you want to install, paste this one, and this is the folder name. So I'm returning here like Drupal latest project. You can write any type, like what you want the project folder name, so you can write here. And now this is the version. So when we can change version also, like 9.0, 9.1, something else. So I'm installing 9.4.1, so it is like installing the 9.4.1 and enter. So now see, it is like creating start. How to install, you can see the command prompt is working now. This is installing all the type of core files, all the type of libraries, all the type of dependencies, symphony and all that. So you know already, like Drupal is working on the symphony languages. And for the installing Drupal in our system, some mandatory installation as should be available on our system, for like PHP. So if you are not installed in PHP in your local, so first install PHP. Like I'm installing the XAMPP server, you can see XAMPP one, and Apache MySQL. So by the PHP you can run the site in your local, like localhost, name is localhost, and in localhost slash php myadmin you can create your database, because database is the root folder, like root file, and you can create the database. And here you can see that installing all the type of the zip folder and all, extracting archives and all that. So this is the process of by the command prompt. You can install the Drupal by the downloading the zip file or rar file. So the process of zip file and rar file we will discuss in next video. First we will see by the command prompt. So this is the installing process, you can see here. And this is the 9.5.4.1 version, and here also description is there, like it's a release notes, when this version of is releases, what type of the mandatory fields, mandatory folders, all the dependencies, yeah, is written here. So let's see. Okay, so it is installed in our local. So I'm going to the XAMPP folder, because I have installed the XAMPP folder inside the htdocs. So this is our Drupal latest project folder. Now we will start localhost. What is the project folder name? Drupal. Click on the web. Now you can see this window. You can choose any language. I am choosing the English language. Save and continue. This is already selected, that is standard form. Save and continue. Now go down this continue anyway. Now the next step is database name, because database is mandatory. Now I'm creating the database by our folder name. You can choose your own choice, whatever you want. You can put the name here, database name. Now I'm copy this one and go to this window, this one. The password, username is root, password is blank. Save and continue. This is creating a table and all the tables related to the modules. So you can see here, this is the Drupal latest project and this is a related to table. In this time it is only 16 tables, but after completing the installation you can see the more than 16 tables, because still it is installing all the modules or the core modules, because it is a CMS. Drupal is CMS, so already some modules are installed inside the folder, like CMS means content management system. So defaultly you have to benefit in this CMS, like creating the content and creating the content type and all that. So first we will see the how to install the Drupal. Okay, so now it's a Drupal site name, so I'm writing the Drupal first project. You can write here anyone name. The email ID is your choice, and username is up to you. What is your username? The password is, it's your choice, whatever your password you want. Now country, you can choose country. Save and continue, and it's processing. So now it's all the process so it's completed, and now we can see inside the web these are folders. So core, inside the core we have to some folders like modules, like themes. This is the core already default folder. The module, we have here two types of module, like contributed folder module and custom folder module, but for about the module we will see the next video. Now this is a themes, so inside a theme we can create our custom theme. So now it is installed, and here you can see, click on this one tab and you can see more than 16 tables installed. It is a 72 tables. So finally we have to run Drupal project in our local system. So please guys subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you so much.